Hello, guys. Welcome to From Financial Hardship. This is the beginning of our journey from zero to earning, you know, 1,000 per week in dividend. So as of today, I'm using a dry account in Robinhood to build the real income engine. There will be no excuses, no shortcut, no gambling. Just high yield ETF, smart depositing, and hopefully consistent compounding. So the mission is pretty much simple. Is use the dividend to pay our household bills like electricity, even the rent and other stuff, car payment, car loan, credit card, stuff like that. So I'll be doing the documentation every week for in this channel. So as of right now, I'm starting with 801, oh, well, 802, 801, as you can see on the screen, dollars. This is my dry account in Robinhood, and I'm using about seven different stock. So the first, the four, these four dividend will be using. There will not be. I will not be using any drip, which is the dividend reinvestment. I will only enable drip on the Q. These three um, stock at the bottom. And tomorrow I'm probably going to sell this last stock to buy two other stock, which pay. I believe one of them is paying weekly and the other one is paying monthly. As of right now, I believe the for this account, I think the monthly estimated monthly dividend is about $18 a month, which is not bad. It's better than nothing. That's like what, about 4 cup of coffee at Starbucks. So you're starting with a balance of $800. Our portfolio is built around seven high yield ETF, and three of them is at all of them in the bottom, and then all of them, those three are enrolled in the drip. At this early stage, the account is estimated to produce, like I said before, about $18 a month. That's small, but every snowball start tiny. So we are following pretty much an aggressive but structured system. So I'll be depositing about $1,000 every month, and based on those 1,000 every month, I'll be investing in high yield ETF for pretty much for all of them. But the first four stock will be about 70%, and then the rest will be 30% of my 1,000 or whichever money I feel like I should invest on a weekly basis. So my goal is one of the goal is also to reach 2,000 so that I can use merging and then start paying my bills. So that's pretty much where that's the next step. So every month I will be contributing 1,000. As the account grow, the dividend grow. As the dividend grow, they reinvest. As the reinvestment accelerate, the compounding get faster. At scale, this become like a real income machine, right? So hopefully that's the not hopefully that will be the goal. Um, I the goal is $1,000 a week. So we'll start small, probably $100 dividend month, and then 500, and then why not maybe 5,000 a month, which is probably like $1,250 a week. So this is a real journey documented in real life. Again, this is my experience. It's not I'm not giving you any financial decision. This is strictly for entertainment. So everything that I use here is my own documentation, my own experience. So it's up to you to make your own decision. I'm not telling you to do what is best for your life, but this is just a disclaimer. Um, the slogan of the channel is pretty much as of right now I changed some. It's still the old um channel, but it will probably update probably by tomorrow. The channel is actually from financial hardship because I'm coming from a background where I still struggle until right now to pay all my bills, but I'm grateful for the position where I am right now. So if you want to follow the real journey from hardship to financial independence, or watch us grow this account from 800, account to a bill paying machine, subscribe and join. So it doesn't hurt. So that should be it for today. So I will do all of my best to post pretty much one video a week or even more. And if possible, I'll also do some short on this channel. So hopefully you like the video. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up on this channel. Again, this is Kevin from Financial Hardship. Thank you for watching. Bye.